Good morning, children. How you all? Are you fine, ma? Okay, I hope you all fine. And in the previous session, we completed up to exercise 1.5. Now we are going to start exercise 1.6. What is that 1.6, ma? It is about to compare the numbers and how to order the numbers. Comparing of numbers and ordering of numbers. Let us start it. Okay, children? See the first one in that. What is meant by ordering of numbers? Arranging the numbers from greatest to smallest is called descending order. Arranging the numbers from smallest to greatest is called ascending order. Like that we can write by giving the numbers as order. Okay. Now exercise 1.6. Let us start exercise 1.6. 1.6. See what it is exercise 1.6, what it is once think it Amma. Say that. Okay children. First one. Fill the correct symbol. Fill the correct symbol. What the symbol we have to use in that Amma? Greater than, less than or equal to. Using those symbols you have to fill it. You have to fill that. See the first question. 3149, 3448. Secondly, 4807, 4078. Third one, 5308, 2441. Eight thousand 391, 8395, 91, 4005, 5004. Okay children, say this Amma. How we will compare, and how we will write greater than, less than and equal to. See here, this number Amma? 3149, 3448. Both started with, both are 4-digit numbers only and both started with 3000 only. Yes, no? So go to the next digit at hundreds place. This is 1 and this is 4. Which is bigger number, Nana? 4 is the bigger number. So give 4. Next, 4807, 4078. 4000 both starts with 4000 only. Let us check the 100 digit. Here 8 and here 0. Which is more number? 8. Next, 5000, 2000. Which is more number? 5000. Next, 4000, 5000. Which is more? 5000. Next, 6000, 2000. 6000, 4000, 5000, 5000. Next, 7286, 7305. Here 7000, here also started with 7000. Both with the same started, and here check the hundreds place digit. What is the hundreds place digit here? Here 2 and here 3. Which is more number, Nana? 3. So give like this. Next, 8000, 8000. Okay, next go to the next digit. Hundreds place digit. If you check the hundreds place digit here, what the hundreds place digit here? Here 3 and here also 3. So both are same. Go to the third digit at tens place. 9, here 9. Both are equal. Last ones place digit here. Here 1 and here 5. Once check again this sum. 8391, 8395. 95 is the more number. Yes, na? So this one is the greater number. Next, it started with 4000. This is 4005 and this is 5004. It started with 4,000 and this started with 5,000. Which is more, ma? 5,000 is the more number. Okay. Now the second Roman. See the second Roman. See the second Roman, children. Put a tick mark on the greatest number and cross mark on the smallest number. Put tick mark on the greatest number and strong. Put the tick mark on greatest number and a cross mark on the smallest number. They given numbers for us, children. See that numbers: 823, 1011. Okay. Next, 9,990, 9,990. 679. See these numbers, children. They are asking, give tick mark for greatest number. See the digits given. 3 digits, 4 digits, 4 digits, 3 digits. So 3 digit one is the smaller and 4 digit one is the greater. In this, which is greater? 9,990, 1,011. 9,000 is greater. So give tick mark for that. And which is smaller? 3 digit numbers, 823 and 629. In those two, which is smaller? See that it is 800s and this is 600. So 600 is the smaller one. Give cross mark. Second one. See this one. If you observe these numbers, all are with 4 digits only. All are with 4 digits only. And check how many, which is smaller and which is greater. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000 only started with. Next, 300s, 0, 100, 200s. So 0 is the smallest one. Greatest one is 1,386. Next one. 7,451, 7,476, 7,429, 7,420. If you observe these numbers, all started with the 7,400s only. That means 7,400s, all are equal. 7,400, 7,400, 70. Go to the next digit in that, third digit. 5 tens, 7 tens, 2 tens. So here again 2 tens. So greater one is 7 tens one. So smaller one. Here 7,429, 7,420. So this is the smaller. Fourth one, 89, 1,001, 875, 888. Here if you observe, all are not having same number of digits. See here, this one is having 2 digits, this one 4 and this one 3 and this one 3. So which is having 2 digits, that is the smaller, give cross mark. Which is having 4 digits, that is the greatest, give tick mark. Fifth one, 9,305, 9,953, 1,999, 9,315. Okay children, if you observe these numbers, which is smaller? 9,900s, 1,900s. 900s is the smaller one. Next, 9,300, 9,300. Both are having 9,000s. These two are greater. In these two, which is greater of both? 9,305, 315. It is more. Give tick mark. Sixth one, 7,425, 2,574, 5,247, 754. Okay, which is smaller of all? See, if you observe, this is 7,000, this is 2,000, this is 5,000 and this is 700s. 700s means this is the smaller one. Give into mark for that. Next, 7,000, 2,000, 5,000. Which is more, Nana? 7,000 is the more number. So, it is the greatest. Like that, you can give tick mark for the greatest number and cross mark for the smallest number. Okay, children. See the third Roman, C Roman. Arrange in descending order. Arrange in descending order. Arrange in descending order. How you will arrange them in descending order, I will tell you. Children, the third Roman is arrange the numbers in descending order. Arrange the numbers in descending order. The given numbers for us. See those numbers, children. 9,325, 9,965, 3,259, 5,239. Decreasing means, decreasing order means arranging the numbers from greatest number to smallest number. First we should choose which is greatest in this set. Okay, how we will choose, ma? See that. How we will choose? See these numbers first. I'll read out those numbers to you. Once read it. 9,325, 9,965, 3,259, 5,239. Okay. See this. 9,000, 9,000, 3,000, 5,000. So 3,000 is the smaller one. Descending order means this comes at last. So give numbering 4. 3 after 5. So it give 3. Now in these two, which is greater? 9,300s, 9,900s. 900s is the greater. Next 3,000. Now arrange them in order. How you will arrange? 9,965, 9,325, 5,239, 3,259. See the second one, children. Eight hundred and 5,820, 2,085, 8,025. See those numbers. See how you will arrange. Descending order means greatest to smallest. Yes, na? First, check how many digits are there in each and every one. Here 3 digits, 4, 4, 4. So 3 digit number is the smaller one. So it comes last. Give numbering 4. Next. See this. All are 4 digits only. 5,000, 2,000, 8,000. Which is bigger, Nana? 8,000. Next 5,000. Next 2,000. Now you arrange them in order. Okay. 8,025, 5,820, 2,085, 825. Third one. 4,050, 5,004, 4,005, 4,500. Okay. If they given like this, you will get confusion, Nana. Here all are having 4 digits only, and here they given 4, 5 in all the numbers. If you see like this, you may get confusion. So thoroughly check it first. 4,050, 5,004, 4,005, 4,500. 4,000, 5,000, 4,000, 4,000. So 5,000 is the greater. So give numbering 1. Okay. Next go to the third digit in second digit in all. Here 0, here 0, here 5. So it is more number. Give 2. Next 4,050, third digit 5, third digit 0. So this is 3 and this is 4. Like this you can check and then give numbering, ma. Don't write blindly. Okay. See this. 5,004. Next 4,500, 4,050, 4,005. Okay, ma. See the fourth one in this. See the fourth one, children. 7,186, 7,786, 789, 798. If you observe, all are not having same number of digits. Here 4, here 4, here 3 and here 3. Yes, na? So 4 digit number bigger and 3 digit number is smaller. In these 7,100, 7,700. 7,700 is the bigger. Next 7,100. Next 708, 789, 798. 98 more than 89. Now you arrange them in order. See this. 7,786, 7,186, 798, 789. Like that you can arrange them in descending order. Okay, children. In the next session we will continue increasing order, that is ascending order. Okay, children. Till then, goodbye, ma. Take care.